That is amazing. It says you don't always get what you want. He's gonna be a magical lion. Hey, finally here!
Charlie, you need to be shaved. Hey guys, welcome back to the Tannerites.
We should go get Daddy. He's like the best at shaving.
Yeah, let's go get it.
Yeah, let's go get him.
Lizzie, you ask Daddy where the clippers are. Allie, you get the extension cord. Danielle and Savannah, let's go get Daddy.
Hey Daddy, we just got an awesome idea.
What?
We should shave Charlie. Daddy, where are the clippers? I got them.
I found the extension cord. It's a big tangled mess, but we can get it detangled once it's plugged in.
We've never shaved Charlie before, and we do not know how he's gonna react to this. So that's why Johnny gets the job of shaving him.
Are you hiding? Who wants to get shaved?
So hot, but he doesn't
Who wants to be shaved? Do you want to be shaved? You want to get shaved?
Daddy, come and get me.
It's gonna be good. You're gonna like it. It's okay. Good boy, Charlie.
Okay.
I have the power. I think we're gonna start with a number 1. There, now he has a guard on there so it doesn't get his skin. Here we go.
We should shave him like a tiger, like with stripes.
Like a tiger?
We should shave him like a chicken.
Chicken? How do you shave him like a
His
chicken?
ears like up and like hairspray him and turn him red and then keep his beard. We should shave him as a unicorn.
How do you do that? Like
We already
this?
cut off all his hair.
I say we shave him like a lion first.
Yeah, lion.
Do that? Do you know how to do that?
Yeah.
So he's gonna have a mane that goes. Let's just do it. Let's get it done. Ready, Charlie? Here we go. It's gonna take a lot of work. Good boy, Charlie. Oh, that's short.
Boy.
That's really short.
That is really short.
Is that okay, Sarah? You think?
Yeah, it'll be good.
Well, there's no going back
Oh,
now.
you're gonna be so happy. Good boy, Charlie.
That is like so short. Polar's probably gonna be super jealous because he's like, oh, your fur is short, so it's like you're not hot all the time.
Gigo, you and Charlie match.
That is amazing.
He's gonna look just like you, Canyon.
He's gonna look so different. Like I'm gonna go be like, hey Charlie, wait, is this even like Charlie at all? What? That looks so good. Belly rubs are gonna be so much easier, Charlie.
Come see Charlie.
No, I wanted it to be a surprise. But I do want to see his belly. His skin is not even like what I imagined. It's purple.
It's like maroon.
Yeah. He's gonna be a magical lion. He will be a nice lion. Forward, back. No, forward, back. Forward, back. It's so hot out here.
Let's put up the 3-foot ball watermelon sprinkler.
Yeah! I'll go get it! Who wants watermelon sprinkler? I got it.
It's taking way too long.
It's getting close though, isn't it?
I don't know. This side's looking pretty good.
Oh, you still have the whole other side?
Yep.
Oh, look, there's instructions. Whoa, it's turning red.
Are you reading the instructions?
Yeah.
What does it tell me to do, Canyon?
Tell me that you do is turn it on.
Okay.
It says you don't always get what you want, so I do always get what I want.
Ooh, it's getting bigger.
I got 2 sprinklers. I'm hugging it.
We're hugging the watermelons.
Whoa.
Go get it, Gigo.
Who it's wet.
Charlie, come on. Charlie, Charlie, you look amazing. Charlie, come here. Charlie, look at you. You look like a real lion. Giga, what do you think about his lion?
He's a small lion. He's a small lion.
Tell us what you think about the lion, Charlie, in the comments down below, and make sure you like this video, and please subscribe, and if you do, press the little bell so you know when we post, and remember that
You are worth it. Bye. I want to do it. And I eating cake. Goodbye.